De Kenda,
160.
¿Cómo?
160.
Well, good morning. A little rough start today. Got some good pain in my back here now. Had a lot of back pain in my life, but today, a little extra. That's one piece of the bike that came off from yesterday's accidents. So I'm gonna try to make it to Sogamoso. Anyways, it's a larger town. Hopefully they got a tire because my sidewall has been split or cut with that horseshoe. Thank you very much. And then I had my accident. So compounding problems. So today I'm gonna just try to get to Sogamoso and see if we can get that tire fixed, because today is the 23rd, 24th of December. Perhaps people will be not working because Christmas is coming up, Christmas Eve. So I wanted to see if I can tackle that as quick as possible and just take some of the medication the doctor gave me for anti-inflammatory and pain for my bit in my back, and let's make the best of it. Let's get out there and have some fun. Yeah. Fun. Well, we have to walk a block to get our bikes out of the security. I guess we still have to pay for it too, eh? All right. Let's see if they're still there. Should be. Just a bugger to get out of there, I think. Well, we have to come here. There's hope because there are keys. And the door has been unlocked because the chain on the front's gone. All right, well, sooner or later, someone will be around here to let us in to this door. Wow, we have success. Check out the ramp, what it's made of. Sprockets and chains. And that leads us up to where our bikes are. Well, the bikes are back here. And that's Simon's bike. And this is mine. I gotta get him out of here. So we have to get back through all of that. So that's gonna take a little while. Well, let's take a look at what was done to Rally. Obviously the signal light is no longer housed on there. That's broken. Some real good scrapage in here. But the bar is now touching the plastic. So that means the crash bar got bent. And we have some damage to the gas tank. Dented here. On the bar and dented here. So the crash bar did a good job, but it got rammed into the gas tank. The mirror is done. Probably remove that. It's too dangerous. And I don't know about the back. Everything else looks probably reasonable.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bacana la moto.
Gracias. This is Jericho. I need one more of these painkillers. Make the day go by. Then I'm gonna have it chased up with a brownie. And of course, some vegan papas natural. I really wish they had papas con sal, or however you say it. I want salt in it. Anyways, that's the town and that's the tienda that we bought it from. And no quiet park bench is quite the same without a tractor going by. Love it. Well, one of these roadside memorials could have been for me yesterday. Kind of glad it wasn't. We enter into Belén and, well, luck would have it that there's a motorcycle shop there. So I'm going to check it out and see what they've got for tires because this tire just went flat.
Pero este es bien.
Igual. Es un poquitico.
Un poco, sí.
Pero es muy mínimo.
Sí.
¿Correcto?
Y un poco
Más alta. Exacto. Es más alta. Es la diferencia. Es un poquito más alta y un poquitico más.
Sí.
It'll work.
But it will work.
Okay. And a new tube. How much do you say tube? Might as well put a new one in rather than a patched one. Patch can fail. Well, it's already leaking, so that's a problem. Tienes una new tube. Entre.
Tubo de
Neumático.
Sí.
Okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Always ask.
This is the Kenda I had.
160.
¿Cómo?
160.
160.
160, 170,000.
160.
160,000.
160,000?
Para todo?
160.
Okay.
It's not extortion, but it's not horrible. It's about $40 Canadian. Yeah, for a rear tire in Canada.
¿Esta placa es qué?
Sí, de Canada.
¿Canadá?
Canada.
31.
That's exactly what's in the
31.
bag. Sí,
Perfecto.
31.
160.
160.
Sí. Bueno, gracias, señor.
A little bit more expensive than the one yesterday, but
But it gets done and we can stand in the shade now. Oh, we're in Belén. Belén Motos. And our man has got my bike on the stand and we found a tire. Actually pretty happy with this tire. Look at the tread on that. That's going to be great for off-road. Hopefully it lasts. Whatever. Something's better than nothing. He needs a 17. High school. It's for YouTube. You don't want it to fall off. Ciao. Come ti chiami?
Viviana.
Come?
Viviana.
Viviana. Mucho gusto. Alright, we're here in Belén, got my tire fixed, and we stopped into a restaurant, and look at this. Not bad for a place like this to have these options for a vegan. And it tastes good. Well, we just had a really good lunch here. Brasa y gourmet. With the tire fixed, stomach's full. We head down the highway and end up in Paipa, where we try to find some accommodations, and well, we struggled quite a bit there. Renting the whole apartment, and we have a washer, fruit and vegetables, because we think Christmas is coming and everything's going to be closed. It's a 3-bedroom. Simon's got a room. That's an extra room, don't care. And this will be my room here. Comes with my own nice bath and shower. Lady guarantees that there's hot water. Well, this is awesome. Awesome. All right, so today's vegan meal is something I made. Tomatoes, onions, some rice, and some braised cauliflower. Woo! A lot of pepper in the air. Good luck to me.
I hope you enjoyed today's show. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Click the bell so you're notified when new episodes are released. Subscribe. Man, that makes it easier for you to find on your TV and your computer. Hey, share it with your friends. It's always great sharing things with your friends. Leave me a message. I love hearing from you guys. And the call to ride will continue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.